Garmin PND, how to set up, edit, and delete a saved place. To use save feature, it allows you to save a place that you often visit. This video will show you how to set up, edit, and delete a saved place. Enter where to. Enter search directly or enter categories to find a place. Select the place that you want to go. Select the left eye icon. Select Save to set a safe place. From the Save menu, you may find the place that you just saved. To edit or delete a saved place, select the place and select the left eye icon. After entering, select the upper left icon to delete or edit a place. From here, you may edit name, phone number, categories, and change map symbol. Thank you for watching.